Tulsa Garden Club was begun in 1929 when 23 gals here in Tulsa decided they wanted to form a group to study botany and to teach more of us about gardening. So that's what we have done for 91, almost 92 years. And I say we quite loosely because I was not one of those original 23 gals, but fellow members and I work every day, 24/7, to do gardening education. So from the beginning, Garden Club members opened up their own gardens to help each of us learn more, and then began opening it to the public for fundraising opportunities. And we have over the years raised hundreds of thousands in order to fulfill our gardening education mission with our projects. But one of the key projects is the ongoing maintenance and the functioning of Tulsa Garden Center that Tulsa Garden Club helped create in the 1950s. Similar to what we started in Oklahoma State University in the 50s, we have funded scholarships and student grants for higher education, and we've also done some things with other educational programming. And now through TCC, Tulsa Community College's Second Chance program, we are supporting the horticulture program with inmates at Dick Connor Correctional. So it is gardening education, whether it is with members and our guests, whether it is public education like our garden tour or our flower shows. We are all about helping others learn more about what grows here in Green Country. Join us, please, and you may call or go to tulsagardenclub.org.
So this is our 70th year for the tour, and we're calling it our Déjà Vu Tour because, of course, last year we couldn't have it. So half of the homes for this year's tour, we're going to do it last year. And then we have 2 new homes. So we have 4 homes, and it's going to be on May Day, May 1st. Well, we have several large gardens, and then we have a small garden, so we have a great variety. One of the gardens has an orchard and a swimming pool. One is a small garden with a fireplace and just very cozy. One has artificial turf, and it's very sports oriented. And then the other one is an unbelievable shade garden with a lot of water features. So I think we have a fantastic variety. Tickets are $10 in advance, and they're $15 at the door. You can buy them at any 4 of the gardens or on Eventbrite, and that information's on the Tulsa Garden Club website. And 12 and under children are free. And we're just so excited for spring and just want to see everybody come out on May Day.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.